In this video, I'm gonna try to explain to you newest thin client devices for FedEx Intranet and specifically for the VDI. This device is actually made by a company called ViewSonic. Approximate cost is around $86 to $89. That's the initial price. It may go down. So it's a very simple device, no storage, nothing else. And all you have to do is, this is out of the box, no change or no update required. You attach the power and attach the HDMI cable with Ethernet connectivity and USB keyboard and mouse. So basically, this is when you buy it from the store or wherever, this is the only thing you have to do, attaching the keyboard, mouse, Ethernet, and HDMI cable and power, and anyone can do that in case something happens. So basically, I'm going to demonstrate that how the product works out of the box, using as a thin client devices, as well as that connecting to VDI resources and accessing the VDI applications and sessions, as well as the printing. Earlier we tested, and then we are going to test again. So first we are waiting for the device to be boot. And again, if that device is for some reason stop working, we can just throw them away and put a new one. We don't have to worry about clean it or do anything. So basically, Chromium is a simple operating system. It's a Linux derivative, and I'm gonna just try to go to home.fedex.com, which is an intranet location. Basically, I'm inside the home.fedex.com. I'll just select our mission or something. Inside, okay, so one of those resources. Again, this is not set up for the external, this is only for an internal. So I can click on any of the application that inside the intranet will be accessible based on the URL location. Anyway, this is the simplest way to access in some of the FedEx applications. So I'm going to try the VDI resources. So now I'm going to connect myself to VDI, and in this case I'm going to select the AOD resources, so we can actually put this one in an entire hub operation and we don't have to worry about it. So we create a specific image called AOD. So I'm going to try to get an AOD desktop. Okay, so now I log in myself to AOD. So inside the AOD desktop, whatever the application that I need, for instance, if I want to use mainframe, I'm in mainframe. Now I'm inside the mainframe, and that's the speed of it. So if I want to launch another application, for instance, browser. Let's say that I want to watch YouTube video. Now this could be a training video also. So let's say this is one of the content. So now we are watching the full motion video. Could be a training or whatever the content. Okay, so the application that we use for AOD called Workbench, and I'm going to try to demonstrate that the speed of that application on that device. initially that all the Java updates is done. As soon as that is over, we'll be able to log in and launch the Workbench application. Okay, so this is the Workbench application. So if you want to go to
I think there's an external site. Yeah.
aircraft area review, okay, so if I want to select an aircraft and click on display,
Okay, you can set up that way. Let me see if I can access it.
okay, that is the detail of that aircraft. So without knowing too much about the product, this is the speed of this application. Anyway, so I believe this tool will simplify the cost of standard thin client devices, which cost around $300 plus, or a $600 traditional desktop. That we can handle it with the $86, $89 ViewSonic devices. If you buy individually, and it may be much cheaper, somewhere about $30 and $40 range. Once we buy this in a quantity, that will be a significant saving. Thank you.